Hello USA. Now I want to connect with you. I will be honest, I've never been to Pennsylvania before, but what I do have at home, and you'll never believe this, is a replica of Regan's showerhead. I know, that's relatable stuff, isn't it? That's liberty. I'll tell you what I also have. I've got a whole proper American bathroom. I have got Bush's razor, Obama's bubble bath, Clinton's cabinet, JFK's salt scrub, Roosevelt's rubber duck, Jefferson's light bulb, Lincoln's shower cap, Trump's bidet, and Biden's leaky tap. I've got 46 items for all of the different presidents. No, is it 49? No, that's my tenure. I also have Rishi Sunak's plug hole. Now, I know that that's not relatable, but that's just for the UK, so they know where to stick it. Down the drain. And I also have pork markets in there. Hopefully this means that I've passed my citizenship test. Hopefully I've connected with y'all. Liv Struss for Vice President. Showerhead.